Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's investment research reports. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's investment research reports, this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first step is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log into your Fidelity account on the online website, or you can do that through the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on research, and then you're going to click on investment research reports. And there you can browse the research reports. They include the analyst reports, market commentary, and whatnot. You can just browse through that, and you can use the reports to inform investment decisions. Likewise, you can save and export any of the reports that you want to make use of. You can also set up alerts for new research reports in the future. You can also use these reports to stay informed about market trends and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's investment research reports. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the